Now we are on the women's division of this league, and first on the match we have Team Kamalanyugan versus Team Enrile. And as we can see here, same lineup for Team Kamalanyugan. Saktong-sakto po sila. There are only 6 players on the court. Magadon and the deck to serve. Labe on that hit, dug up by Karag. Antonio Gumarang to Labe. Chance ball for Team Enrile. Octaviano. Ortiz to Antonio. Dug up. Madamba. To Aggarao, and that ball is out. First point for Team Kamalanyugan. 1-0 is our score. Nice serve coming from Magadon. Service ace. 2-0 is our score. Again, nice serve coming from Magadon. Now a chance ball for Team Kamalanyugan. Ortiz to Labe. That hit, tugged up, but couldn't get that second ball, and a point for Team Kamalanyugan. 3-0 is our score. Magadon still serving. Nice serve. A miscommunication on the side of Team Enrile, and a point, an ace for Magadon. Point for Team Kamalanyugan. 4-0 is our score. Is up by Tangkomay. Itawa. Labe. Right straight to the net. And the first point for Team Enrile. 1 serving 4. On deck to serve is jersey number 3, Aggarao of Team Enrile. That ball is out. And hello, good afternoon po, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the heart-pounding action of the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayan Conference. And you are watching live the match between Team Kamalanyugan versus Team Enrile. This is our first match this afternoon for the women's division. And we have 4 matches lined up for you today before the quarterfinals. And this is first set, and our score is 6-4 in favor of Team Kamalanyugan. And as you can see, an off the block point coming from that hit by Litawa. 7-4 is our score. Labe, nice serve, and an ace coming off from Labe. Jersey number 3 of Team Kamalanyugan. Early timeout. Side of Team Enrile. Our official standing score is 4-8 in favor of Team Camalaniugan. Ayan po, announcing our matches for this afternoon. You are now watching the match between Team Enrile versus Team Camalaniugan. Next is Team Gonzaga versus Team Igig. And on our third match, we have Team Lalo versus Team Solana. And on our last match, for this elimination round, we have Team Amulong versus Team Santo Niño. Ayan po, back to the ball game. And a chance ball for Team Camalaniugan. Opening up to Magadon. An attack error by Magadon. And a point for Team Enrile. 5 serving 8 is our score. Over-receive. Bumalik sa side ng Team Enrile. Standing spike, Labe on that receive. Gumarang to Litawa. Gutierrez to Tangomay. Labe. Back row attack. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 9-5 is our score. And hello, good afternoon, Kit. Shout out to Team Camalaniugan. Go, go, go. Antonio, number 19. Sabi po niya. And now, nice receive coming from Ortiz. Gumarang will set that ball up to Antonio. Nice dig up by Agcarao. Back row attack coming from Carag. Gumarang to Antonio. Nice placement on that ball. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 10-5 is our score. Ayan, hello. Good afternoon po to Cherry Pie, Mateo Eya. Happy watching po. And to Lovelyn Antonio. Sino po next game? Our next game to be played between Team Gonzaga versus Team Igig. Still on the women's division. And on deck to serve, we have jersey number 18, Tangomay. Umarang, 1-2 play, right straight to the net. And a point for Team Enrile. 7, serving 10. Still serving, we have Tangomay. Is up by Antonio. Antonio asked for that ball. And with the help of the net, point for Team Camalaniugan. 11, serving 7. On deck to serve, we have Gumarang. Jersey number 10. Agara will give that chance ball for Team Camalaniugan. A push coming from Magadon. Madamba to Gutierrez. Top spin. Ortiz to Antonio, right straight to the net. And a point for Team Enrile. 8, serving 11. On deck to serve is jersey number 20, Gutierrez. Nice up by Labe. Magadon with that drop shot. Madamba chases that ball to Gutierrez. Antonio, Labe. Back to Antonio. Dig there coming from Gutierrez. That point will go to Team Camalaniugan. 12, serving 8 is our score. Magadon on deck to serve. And an ace coming from Magadon, and that will be our first technical timeout of this match. 13-8 is our score. Team Camalaniugan is up by 5. Ayan po. Hello po, good afternoon. To Janvic Liban Palatao, shout out po kay Jonathan Castisimo Catolos. Ayan po, happy watching po. Mga kaapong, this is the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayan Conference, and back to the ball game. Nice receive coming from Carag. An attack error coming from jersey number 3, Agarrao. And now a point for Team Camalaniugan. 14-8 is our score. Serve again coming from Magadon. 15-8. And now a service error coming from the hands of Magadon. Our score now is 9 serving 15. And a service error, or a service ace I should say, from jersey number 3, Agarrao of Team Enrile, targeting the hands of Litawa. And now the back-to-back service aces coming from Agarrao. Now through the hands of Gumarang. Point for Team Enrile. 11 serving 15. Nice serve. Aulabe will give a chance ball for Team Enrile. Madamba. Miscue. Chance ball. And a misreceive on the side of Team Camalaniugan. Our score now is 12 serving 15. Deck to serve still. The hard server. We have jersey number 3, Agarrao, and because of that, Team Camalaniugan will call for a timeout to stop the momentum on that serve coming from jersey number 3, Agarrao of Team Enrile. In our official standing score, we have 13-15 still in favor of Team Camalaniugan with 2-point lead. And back to the ball game. Agarrao still serving. Again, a nice serve. Nice up by Gumarang to Antonio. Doon si Gutierrez, and na-late si Madamba on that second ball. Point for Team Camalaniugan. 16-13 is our score. On deck to serve, we have jersey number 19, Antonio. Nice up by Carag. Hit from Carag. Nice pick up by Magadon. A chance ball for Team Enrile. And a point for Team Camalaniugan is 17-13 is our score. Running attack coming from Carag, dug up. Labe will hit that ball. Madamba. Ortiz chooses Litawa. Top spin, andon sa Agarrao. Gutierrez to Carag. Down the line hit, dug up by Antonio. This is now a mega rally. Madamba chooses Carag. Down the line hit. And a point for Team Enrile. 14 serving 17, and on deck to serve now is jersey number 5, Madamba. Ball is out. Point for Team Camalaniugan. 18-14 is our score. And heavy serve coming off from Ortiz. Bumalik sa side ng Team Camalaniugan. Labe on that hit to the half of the net. Gumarang to Labe again. Carag is dug up by Magaddon. And a chance ball for Team Manila. Gutierrez to Carag with the approach. And that hit will go straight to the net. Point for Team Camalaniugan. 19-14 is our score. Nice serve coming from Ortiz. And bumalik sa side ng Team Camalaniugan. Gumarang chooses Litawa right straight to the net. And on deck to serve now for Team Enrile, we have jersey number 10, Octaviano. 15, serving 19. Gutierrez will set that ball up to Carag, and that hit from Carag will go right straight to the net. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 20, serving 15. Labe, jersey number 3 is on deck to serve. What a serve. Gutierrez to Agarao. Dug up by Ortiz. Gumarang. To Magaddon, a push. Andun si Carag. Gutierrez to Carag. Down the line hit. Dug up by Labe. Gumarang. And that is in. It hits the line. Point for Team Camalaniugan. Binitawan ni Agarao. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. Our official standing score is 21. And back to the ball game now. Labe is on deck to serve. After that timeout, service error coming from Labe, and a point for Team Enrile. 16-21 is our score. Carag is on deck to serve. The service error. Point for Team Camalaniugan. Litawa, jersey number 17, is on deck to serve now. Heavy serve coming from Litawa. Carag. Agarao will give that free ball to Team Camalaniugan. Magaddon on that hit. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. Now they are on a warning point. 23-16 is our score. That ball sails out. Point for Team Enrile. 17-23 is our score. And on deck to serve is Tangomay, jersey number 18. Is up by Labe. Gumarang to Antonio. An attack error. Point for Team Enrile. 18-17 serving 23. Tangomay still serving for Team Enrile. Nice up by Litawa. Gumarang to Magadon. On overset. Karag. Too wide on that back row attack. And a point for Team Kamalan-Yugan. They are now on set point. 24-18. And on deck to serve is the setter, Gumarang. Nice serve. Binarek ni Gutierrez. And now, Antonio on that hit. Tagda by Karag. Garao. And one set point save on the side of Team Enrile. 19 serving set point. The service ace coming from the hands of Gutierrez. 20 serving set point. Nabe on that hit. And that's it. That ends our set number 1. 25-20 is the score. Winner as Team Kamalan-Yugan. Before we start our set number 2, we would like to thank first our following sponsors. Special thanks to Attorney Alvaro Bong Antonio, the founder of the Apong League, to Mayor of Pamplona, Mayor Digna Puzon Antonio, and to Attorney Cristina A. Antonio, the Municipal Mayor of Alcala, and to Director of this league, Ma'am Criselda Dadang A. Antonio. Maraming salamat po. And for our live coverage, special thanks to SMS, Smarter Multimedia Services. And we are back to the ball game now. This is set number 2 of this match. On deck to serve is Aggarao. Nice up by Litawa. Labe. That off the block point. Attack coming from Labe. Madamba to Karag. And a point for Team Enrile. 1-0 is our score. And an attack, a service error coming from Aggarao. Jersey number 3, and the first point for Team Camalaniugan. 1-all is our score. And a service ace coming from Antonio. 2 serving 1. Again, a back-to-back service aces coming from Antonio. Our score now is 3-1. Almost got an ace. A chance ball for Team Camalaniugan. Ortiz to Litawa. Madamba to Karag. Labe on that hit. Gutierrez will pick it up. Karag. And that ball sails out. Point for Team Camalaniugan. 4-1 is our score. Nice reception coming from Gutierrez. Karag will hit that ball, and a point for Team Enrile. 2 serving 4. Madamba is on deck to serve. Nice up by Gutierrez. And a point coming from that attack of Labe. 5 serving 2. On deck to serve is jersey number 6. Ortiz. Team Camalaniugan, a service error. 3 serving 5. And now serving for Team Enrile, we have jersey number 10, Octaviano. Nice serve. And a point for Team Enrile. Nice chase there on the side of Team Camalaniugan, but hindi na po umabot ang bola. Octaviano still serving. Chance ball for Team Enrile. Gutierrez to Karag. Through the hands of Magandon. And now we are tied at 5. Octaviano still serving for Team Enrile. Nice up by Magandon. Litawa. On that hit, and a point for Team Camalaniugan. 6-5 is our score. Nice serve coming from Labe. Bumalik sa side ng Team Camalaniugan. Magandon. That was on the net. And a 1 point by Madamba. That was on the net. And now we are tied at 6. Karag now on deck to serve for Team Enrile. That ball is out. A service error coming from the hands of Karag. And now Litawa is on deck to serve for Team Camalaniugan. Nice up by Karag. Madamba to Aggarao. Down the line hit. Is good for Aggarao. And now we are tied at 7. Anog on that serve. Ortiz to Labe. Back row attack. Too wide on that attack. And a point for Team Enrile. Now they are on the lead. 8 serving 7. Anog. Nice serve. Ortiz will give that free ball to Team Enrile. Gutierrez. Through the hands of Litawa. And a point for Team Enrile. Ayan po. Now they are up by 2. 9-7 is our score. And Team Kamalanyugan will call for a timeout. And happy watching po kay Hans Dave Borromeo. And hello po to Dang Dang Ortiz. Go Ortiz. Kit. Go, go, go Team Kamalanyugan. Kanya pong sinisigaw. And for our next game for this elimination round will be Team Gonzaga versus Team Igig. Next po doon is Team Lalo versus Team Solana. And our last match for this elimination round is Team Amulong versus Team Santo Niño, still on the women's division. Anog is still serving for Team Enrile. Nice serve. And a chance ball for Team Enrile. Agarao. Binalik sa side ng Team Enrile. Gutierrez on that hit too wide. Point for Team Kamalanyugan. 8 serving 9. Agkarao. Nice pick up by Labe. Labe, back row attack. Tugged up by Karag. Karag, back row attack. And a point for Team Enrile. They are up by 2. 10. Serving 8. Gutierrez is on deck to serve. Sharp serve. And an ace for Team Enrile. 11 serving 8. That ball is out. A free ball. Free point for Team Kamalanyugan. 9 serving 11. Drop shot. Antonio. Drop ball. Adamba. To Octaviano. Pinalo. Ni Antonio. Madamba. To Agcarao. Running attack. Through the hands of Litawa. And a point for Team Enrile. 12-9 is our score. Nice serve coming from Agcarao. Ortiz. Chance ball for Team Enrile. Madamba. To Karag. Running attack. And too wide on that attack coming from Karag. A point for Team Kamalanyugan. 10-12 is our score. Madamba to Octaviano. Drop shot. It's good. And now we reached our second technical timeout of this match. 13-10 is our official score. And ayan po, back to the ball game. This is set number 2 and score is 13-10. It's still in favor of Team Enrile. Madamba, the setter, is on deck to serve. Nice up by Labe. Ortiz to Labe. That hit. And attack error coming from Labe. Now Team Enrile is up by 4. Kumara. Chance ball for Team Enrile. Carag. Through the hands of Magadon. And now they are up by 5. Team Enrile. 15. Serving 10. Litawa is tugged up by Agcarao. Carag, down the line hit. Labe. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 11 serving 15. On deck to serve is jersey number 6, Ortiz of Team Camalaniugan. Nice up. And a free ball for Team Camalaniugan. Gumarang to Litawa. Tagged up by Agcarao. Running attack. Carag. And that is in. Point for Team Enrile. 16-11 is our score. On deck to serve is jersey number 10, Octaviano. Litawa on that standing spike. Free ball for Team Camalaniugan. Gumarang chooses Labe. And the ball is still on play. Gumarang, Labe, push, block by Carag. And a point for Team Enrile. And now Team Camalaniugan will call for a timeout. Our official standing score is 11-17 in favor of Team Enrile. And ayan po, back to the ball game. Team Enrile is up by 6. 17-11 is our official standing score. Octaviano still serving for Team Enrile. Service error right after the timeout. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 12-17 is our score. Labe is on deck to serve. Nice serve. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 13-17 is our score. And an ace for Labe. There's a bit of struggle on that defense of Team Enrile. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 14-17 is our official score. Still, Team Enrile is up by 3. And back to the ball game. Labe is still serving for Team Camalaniugan. And an ace coming from the hands of Labe. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 15-17 is our score, narrowing down the lead to 2. Okay, nice serve coming from Labe. Carag will give a free ball to Team Camalaniugan. Labe, back row attack, and that ball is out. Point for Team Enrile. 18-15 is our score. Chance ball for Team Enrile. Carag will receive that ball. Madamba to Aggarao. The point for Team Enrile. 19 serving 15 is our score. Deck to serve, we have Carag. Is up by Ortiz. Magadon. Attack error. (20-15) is our official score. And a service error coming from Carag. And a point for our Team Camalaniugan. 16 serving 20. Litawa is on deck to serve. Nice serve. And naibalik sa side ng Team Camalaniugan. That ball is out. Point for Team Camalaniugan. 17-20 is our score. Litawa is on deck to serve. Nice serve. And a chase coming from Enrile, and that ball can get through. 18-20 is our score. Litawa with that heavy serve. Over receive from Carag. Bumalik, Gumarang. Magadon, a push. Madamba to Aggarao. An attack error. And now the lead is narrowed down to 1. 19 serving 20. Litawa is still serving for Team Camalaniugan. Gutierrez chooses Carag. Block by Gumarang. And now we are tied at 20. Team Enrile will call for a timeout after that. Monster block coming from Gumarang. Ayan, hello po to Bancud, Mark Anthony Coca, Kian J. Kagumbay, Cheerwell Insan, and to Monique Carag Miraflor, Claudette Lexi, ayusin mo laro mo. Ayan, makukuha po ba ng Team Kamalanyugan ang set na ito to win this match, or kaya pang ma-extend ng Team Enrile ang match na ito into a deciding set? A serve coming from Litawa. Gutierrez setting up to Karag. Nice up by Labe. 1-2 play. Doon si Aggarao. Nadamba. Labe. To Gumarang. To Magadon with that attack error. And now the lead is back to Team Enrile. 21-20 is our score. Anog, jersey number 16, is on deck to serve. A push coming from Antonio. Madamba to Aggarao with that approach. And an unforced error on the side of Team Kamalanyugan. 22-20 is our score. Anog still serving. Antonio. Dug up by Karag. Gutierrez. That push. Labe. Attack error. And now Team Enrile is on their warning point. 23 serving 20. Anog. Nice serve. Karag, back row attack. That ball is out. The point for Team Kamalanyugan, 21 serving 23. Gumarang is on deck to serve. Nice serve. Ortiz. An attack error coming from Antonio. And now Team Enrile is on their set point. Gutierrez to serve. Nice up by Labe. Antonio sails that ball out, and now we are forced to go to the deciding set. po. A service error on the first point will go to Team Enrile on this set number 3 of this match. Madamba to serve. Labe will try, and nandun si Agcarao. Carag. Down hit. And a point for Team Enrile. 2-0 is our score. Labe on that receive. Labe on the approach. And off the block point coming from jersey number 3, Labe of Team Camalaniugan. Their first point actually. 1-2 is our score. Antonio is on deck to serve. And a rotation violation coming from Team Enrile. Nice up by Carag. Madamba to Carag. Dug up by Magadon. Ortiz to Labe. Pick up by Agcarao. Carag on the approach. And a point for Team Enrile. Three serving 2. And on deck to serve is Octaviano. Nice pick up coming from Gumarang. Litawa. Down the line hit and through the hands of Octaviano. A point for Team Camalaniugan. 3-all is our score. Deck to serve is jersey number 6, Ortiz. Nice serve. Labe will try. Si Agcarao. The half of the net. Pick up by Gumarang. Chance ball for Team Enrile. Madamba to Carag. Dug up by Magadon. Pinalik sa side ng Team Enrile. Gumarang to Labe. Drop shot is good for Team Camalaniugan. Now they are up by 1-4. 3 is our score. And sabi po ni Ma'am Monique Carag Miraflor, kunin nyo na ang last set Enrile. Igig naman po si Sir Hamilton Rendon. And to kit sa inyo last set Camalaniugan. We will find out. Pero so far, dikit pa lang po ang laban here on our early game of the set number 3. 4-all is the score. Carag is on deck to serve. Nice serve. Ortiz to Magadon and a free ball for Team Enrile. Anog. Push. Gumarang to Litawa. A point for Team Camalaniugan. 5-4 is our score. And on deck to serve is Labe. Nice up by Ortiz. Gumarang to Magadon. Jaws on the net. And a net touch violation committed by Magadon. A point for Team Enrile. 5-all is our score. Nice pick up by Labe. Chance ball for Team Enrile. Agcarao with the approach. Dug up by Magadon. And a net touch violation coming from Madamba. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 6 serving 5. 1-2 play. Pick up by Labe. And a chase ball for Team Enrile. Karag. Drop shot. Nice dig coming from Labe. Bumalik sa side ng Team Enrile. Agaraw. And a point for Team Enrile. We are tied at 6. Gutierrez. Kumarang to Antonio. Nice dig. And a miscommunication on the side of Team Enrile. Point for Team Kamalanyugan. 7-6 is our score. Ceres without receive. Aggarao with the approach. Labe, back row. Targeting the hands of Gutierrez, and a point for Team Kamalanyugan. Our score is 8-6. And that serve sails out, and a point for Team Enrile. 7 serving 8. Bumalik sa side ang Team Kamalanyugan. Nice dig there by Octaviano. Tugged up by Litawa. Nice chase by Labe. Anog. Bumalik sa side ng Team Kamalanyugan. Again, a rally. Labe. On that back row attack, and a point for Team Kamalanyugan. Our score now is 9 serving 7. And on deck to serve is Magadon of Team Kamalanyugan with that service error. 8 serving 9. Madamba on deck to serve. Over receive by Labe. Labe is tugged up by Aggarao. And Karag on that off-speed attack. And now we are tied at 9. Madamba is on deck to serve. Labe. That ball is in. And a point for Team Kamalanyugan. The lead is back to Team Kamalanyugan, and Antonio is on deck to serve. Nice up by Karag. Sir, tack error on Karag, and now Team Kamalanyugan is up by 2. 11-9 is our score. Antonio serving, and that ball is out. Then serving 11. Octaviano is on deck to serve for Team Enrile. Litawa is tugged up. That ball is in. It hits the line, and a lucky point for Team Enrile. We are tied at 11. Octaviano is still serving. Nice take coming from Magadon. Labe will try. To the hands of Octaviano, and a point for Team Camalaniugan. 12-11 is our score. Almost got an ace, and Karag on that back row attack. Tugged up by Ortiz. Litawa. Check. Magadon. Kumarang will set that ball to Litawa. Right straight to the net. And now we are tied at 12. Heavy serve coming off from Karag. And now chance ball for Team Enrile. Aggarao is blocked. And this is our third technical timeout of this match. 13-12 is our official score. Still on the lead, we have Team Camalaniugan with 1 point. And back to the ball game. Karag on that back row attack. Right straight to the net, and a point for Team Camalaniugan. 14 serving 12. And on deck to serve is Labe. Nice serve. Litawa on that hit, dug up by Octaviano. Karag, the back row attack, dug up by Labe. An overset. Aggarao, dug up by Ortiz. Now Litawa will give a free ball to Team Enrile. Chance ball for Team Camalaniugan. Litawa. And now a rally, as we can see, and a drop ball is good for the side of Team Camalaniugan. 15-12 is our score now. And an ace coming from Labe. Now Team Enrile will call for a timeout. Our official score is 16-12 in favor of Team Camalaniugan. Labe still serving for the side of Team Camalaniugan. Nice up by Karag. 1-2 play. Binalik sa side ng Team Enrile. Agarao with that approach. Pick up by Antonio. And now, free ball. Karag. Back row attack. Check. Kumarang. 1-2 play. And Gutierrez will give that free ball to Team Camalaniugan. Litawa. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. They are up by 5. A substitution on the side of Team Enrile. Tangomay will go in for Anog. Now a service error coming off from Labe. 13-17 is our score. Tangomay is on deck to serve. An attack error coming from Gutierrez. 18-13 is our score now. Gutierrez. And back to Team Camalaniugan. Gumarang. And it's also on the net. Won by Gutierrez. And a point for Team Enrile. 14 serving 18. And Agarao pushes that ball. Gumarang. Tumagadon. Push. Gutierrez. Tumadamba. Agarao. Litawa to Gumarang. Labe. Back row attack. Pick up by Gutierrez. Antonio. An attack error. And Team Camalaniugan will call for a timeout. Our official standing score is 18-15. Is still in favor of Team Camalaniugan with 3 points. 3-point lead. Back to the ball game. Gutierrez on that serve. And again, attack error coming from Antonio. And now the lead is narrowed down to 2. 16 serving 18. Nice serve from Gutierrez. Nice pick up from Ortiz. A push from Maggadon. And a point for Team Camalaniugan. 19 serving 16. Over receive coming from Tangomay. And a lucky point for Team Enrile. 17 serving 19 is our score. On deck to serve, Agarao, jersey number 3 of Team Enrile. Miscommunication between Gutierrez and Agarao. Point for Team Camalaniugan. 20 serving 17. Maggadon on deck to serve. Carag on that powerful hit, and a point for Team Enrile. 18 serving 20. Nice up by Labe. Labe on the approach with the help of the net. Carag with that attack error. (21 serving 18) is our score. Antonio on deck to serve. Nice dig coming from Agcarao. Ortiz to Labe of the black point. And now Team Camalaniugan is up by 4. Timeout, Team Enrile. 3 na lamang po ang kinakailangan ng Team Camalaniugan to close this match. Ayan, hello po to Dang Ortiz. Go Ortiz, go Camalaniugan. And to Jaden, go Bes Aliana Sheen. Walwagkan mo. And to Elaine Tagibao, go Igig. Iwalwag nyo mamaya. To Marjo Tanggomay, go anak Aliana Sheen. Ayan, to Reshen. Pa-shoutout po kay Owen Alonzo. Ayan, good afternoon po sa lahat. You are watching the match between Team Enrile versus Team Camalaniugan. Agcarao on that reception. Carag. Umarang will set that ball. And a free ball for Team Enrile. Damba. Carag. And that attack is out. Now a warning point for Team Camalaniugan. 23 serving 18. Gutierrez will give that free ball to Team Camalaniugan. Labe with the help of the net. And now they are on match point. Team Camalaniugan 24 serving 18. And an ace coming from the hands of Gutierrez. And congratulations to Team Camalaniugan for winning this match against Team Enrile. And po, our next game po is to be played between Team Gonzaga versus Team Igig.